sharing couple of five basic and easy braid hairstyles with you all. And you guys, these hairstyles, this tutorial includes 3-strand braid, 4-strand braid, rope braid, Dutch braid, fishtail, and so on. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell icon to get notified on all of my new uploads. Thumbs up the video, comment down below which hairstyle, which braid hairstyle you like, and if you have any recommendations for me. And with that being said, let's jump into the video now. You guys, I love to thread hairstyles when my hair is dirty and it is very cold outside. Alright, to create the Dutch braid hairstyle, here I'm taking small hair strand from the crown of my head and splitting that into kind of 3 equal sections. It is okay if the sections are not evenly equal. Alright, now I'm crossing the outer strand under the middle on either sides of my head. Alright, then I'm picking up some more hair and adding that with outer strands and crossing through under the middle strand, and I'm doing the same on either sides of outer strands. I'm picking up some hair and adding that with outer strands and crossing that under the middle hair strand on either sides of outer strands, and I'm going to be basically repeating the same steps all the way down to get a wintry Dutch braid hairstyle. Here with outer strands, I'm just continuing with a regular 3 strands braid, and before I secure the braid end, I'm pinching the braids for some puffier and voluminous look and feel. And here we go, the end I'm securing the braid end with a hairstyle, and you guys saw that braid hairstyle is done. How puffier and big the braids look. I loved it. I loved how it turned out. Alright, to create an easy rope braid hairstyle, I'm starting it off with a low ponytail, or what you call it, pigtail. I'm then creating 2 strands out of my pigtail or ponytail hair, and then twisting my right hand side hair strand for few times and taking it over the left hand side hair strand. Then I'm repeating the same steps. I'm twisting the hair strand and taking that over the other hair strand, and I'm going to be repeating the same steps all the way down to complete the hairstyle. Alright, so upon finishing the hairstyle, braiding, I'm securing the braid end with a hair tie, and you guys, our second hairstyle. So now we are going to be creating a 4 strands braid hairstyle, and to create that, I'm taking small hair strands, 4 hair strands from the crown of my head like so. Not all strands are equal, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, now I'm taking the right hand side hair strand over the next of it and under the next of that, and again over the next of it. Alright, I'm repeating it again. I'm taking the right hand side hair strand over the next of it and under the next of that, and again over the next of that, and again taking the right hand side hair strand over, under, and again over the hair strands coming next of it. You guys, it might look tough, but if you try few times, it's really easy, and if you learn once, you won't forget it. I loved it. I love how it looks. Alright, so now we are going to be creating two fishtail braids on either sides of my head. And to start it off, I'm separating my hair from the middle of my head and starting with my left hand side hair strand. Hair. I'm creating two hair strands out of it and taking a small thin hair strand from the left side and adding with a right side hair strand. Then I'm taking another small hair strand from the right side and adding with my left hand side hair strand. And you guys, I'm going to be repeating the same steps all the way down, braiding my hair, and then at the end I'm pinching the braid stitches gently to give it a volume.